Welcome to the unboxing experience of the Blaupunkt GTX 3 series speakers, the GTX 3652 and GTX 3652 C20 models. This GTX 3652 is a pair of 6.5 inches two-way coaxial speakers designed with Mica injection PP cone composition for enhanced performance. With a maximum power handling capability of 100 watts, these speakers offer a powerful audio experience. Notably, they boast a slim mounting depth of only 61 mm, ensuring seamless integration into various audio setups. The GTX 3652 C20 model shares the same Mica injection PP cone composition material as its counterpart. However, it is a pair of component speakers that distinguishes itself by featuring a separate tweeter from the main speaker. Additionally, it is equipped with two crossovers for streamlined wiring connections. It boasts a maximum power handling capacity of 150 watts and has a slim mounting depth of 61 mm. Screws and brackets are provided. User manual provided for more information. Experience the impressive audio output of our GTX 3 series speakers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.